little crazy, raised a little hell on it. Yeah, learn to pray, learn to cuss, throw a party, throw a punch. Ain't no hiding where we're from. It's on our boots, it's on our trucks. It was in that cloud of dust we stirred up. It was out in the fields, on them old back roads. It covers this town like it covers my soul. Yeah, it's in our bones and our blood. Yeah, as deep as these roots run, we'll never be too far gone from the dirt we were raised on. Dirt we were raised on. Bale some hay on it, ask God to rain on it. We met him at the gate when he tried to put an interstate on it. Yeah, we got lost, we got found, and we got high and we got down. And every time we rode into town, it's on our boots, it's on our trucks. It was in that cloud of dust we stirred up. It was out in the fields, on them old back roads. It covers this town like it covers my soul. Yeah, it's in our bones and our blood. Yeah, as deep as these roots run, we'll never be too far gone from the dirt we were raised on. Dirt we were raised on. Yeah, we drank on it, cranked some Hank on it. Got a little crazy, raised hell on it. It's on our boots, it's on our trucks. It was in that cloud of dust we stirred up. It was out in the fields, on them old back roads. It covers this town like it covers my soul. Yeah, it's in our bones and our blood. Yeah, as deep as these roots run, we'll never be too far gone from the dirt we were raised on. Dirt we were raised on. Yeah, it's red stuff flying in the back of the truck bed, going out as far as you can get. When it's down, turned up to a country song. That's the dirt we were raised on. Sunsets and a bullet hole stop sign, getting down on the back 45. Yeah, that's how we do it all night long. That's the dirt we were raised on. 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 Off my dash, tore up those sun-faded photographs, threw them in the wind. Y'all can have her back. I'm out of here. I stuck my middle finger up in the sky, flipped off that y'all come back sign, looked in the mirror one last time and watched it disappear. It ain't nothing but a review town, broken hearts and rusted plows, roots ripped right up out of the ground. Never thought I'd ever leave it, but it ain't nothing what it used to be. Population minus me on the other side of that dust cloud. Ain't nothing but a review town. I could tough it out, but what's the use? A place that small, it's hard to do. Too much of her to run into, and so much road to somewhere new. It ain't nothing but a review town, broken hearts and rusted plows, roots ripped right up out of the ground. Never thought I'd ever leave it, but it ain't nothing what it used to be. They call us the two-lane, just passing by, slow downtown. Yeah, they say what's there to do when you ain't got nothing around. Just a few street lights, speed limit signs that all say 25. But those folks ain't lived in our lives. They ain't seen the blood, sweat, and tears it took to live their dreams. When everything's on the line, ain't just another field, just another farm. No, it's the ground we grew up on. They think it's a middle of nowhere place where we take it slow. Oh, but they don't know. All they see is tractors, barbed wire, and tall green grass. They don't see the years spent working, busting their ass. How they pray for rain, they don't know a thing about what it takes living this way. They ain't seen the blood, sweat, and tears it took to live their dreams. When everything's on the line, ain't just another field, just another farm. No, it's the ground we grew up on. They think it's a middle of nowhere place where we take it slow. Oh, but they don't know. No, they don't know. They call us a two-lane, just passing by, slow downtown. Yeah, they say what's there to do when you ain't got nothing around. They ain't seen the blood, sweat, and tears it took to live their dreams. When everything's on the line, ain't just another field, just another farm. No, it's the ground we grew up on. They think it's a middle of nowhere place where we take it slow. Oh, but they don't know. If you grew up above the Mason-Dixon or down in Dixie, if you come from the east side or the west side of the Mississippi, little farm towns to them high-rise cities, raise them up if you're with me. And if you got the same song coming out of your speakers, got the same strong mix down in your cup, if you got smoke blowing in the air, howling at the moon, if you do, that's what's up. If you got your pretty green-eyed diamond ride or die, besides you pulling that all-nighter, yeah, we might be from a different place, but we throw it down the same way, the same way, the same way. This one's for them good old boys and girls, y'all. Let's get another round. Say it loud, let them know all over the world now. Country don't come from little farm towns to them high-rise cities. Raise them up if you're with me. Yeah. If you got the same song coming out of your speakers, got the same strong mix down in your cup, if you got smoke blowing in the air, howling at the moon, if you do, that's what's up. If you got your pretty green-eyed diamond ride or die, besides you pulling that all-nighter, yeah, we might be from a different place, but we throw it down the same way, the same way, the same way. Yeah, we throw it down the same way. us when we say we're country. We ain't scared to back it up. Yeah, I think it'd be safe to say that we all think nobody does it like us. If you got the same song coming out of your speakers, got the same strong mix down in your cup, if you got smoke blowing in the air, howling at the moon, if you do, that's what's up. If you got your pretty green-eyed diamond ride or die up beside you pulling that all-nighter, yeah, we might be from a different place, but we throw it down the same way, the same way, the same way. But we throw it down the same way, the same way, the same way. Yeah, we throw it down the same way. Yeah, we throw it down the same way.
Got a lot of loose ends. I've done some damage. I've cut the rope so it frays. I've got a lot of good friends keeping me distracted, keeping my sanity safe. Here I stand on the edge of the ledges I've made, searching for a steady hand. Here I stand in the land full of rocks in the valley. Oh, I'm trying to be a better man for you. Drink a little too much, it makes me nervous. I've got my grandfather's blood. I take a little too much without giving back. But blessed are the meek, then I'm cursed. Here I stand on the edge of the ledges I've made, searching for a steady hand. Here I stand in the land full of rocks in the valley. Oh, I'm trying to be a better man for you. Searching for a steady hand. Here I stand in the land full of rocks in the valley. Oh, I'm trying to be a better man. Here I stand on the edge of the ledges I've made, searching for a steady hand. Oh,
And the memories keep on turning.